So what's up guys, welcome to HD Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you the breaking news, and that is regarding Apple India. Well, iPhone XR is going to be getting cheaper, iPhone 11 is going to be made in India, and a lot more to cover in today's video. So guys, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, and also it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So guys, today's video is going to be very special. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now let me give you a little bit of glance that which are the iPhone models those are made in India. The iPhone SE, the iPhone 6s, the iPhone 6s Plus, the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 7 Plus. All of these 5 iPhones are already getting manufactured and produced in India, but now there is a little bit twist, and that is regarding the iPhone XR. Finally, Apple has started its global production in India. What is global production? Well guys, like not just for local Indian consumers, but for global. If you're living in United States, or in China, in Europe, anywhere, the obvious thing which you're going to be seeing now is the change of the text. Okay, designed by Apple in California and assembled in India. Yes guys, the new iPhone XR, or you can see a pretty old, year-old iPhone XR is now going to be made in India, and definitely it's a great opportunity. Not just Apple is providing a great employment opportunity for the local people here, but also it's a great cost cut. Okay, in India, everybody wants to buy an iPhone XR, and just you're not getting because the price is too much. Like 49,000 is still a big deal for the iPhone XR. In Diwali sale, the iPhone XR was for the pricing of 45,000, and now it's expected to come at the same price. Okay, for 41 to 45,000, the iPhone XR is going to be available, and I think this is a great price for the iPhone XR. So guys, now let me discuss future plans of Apple. Well, as now Apple has started the production of the iPhone XR in the Indian market, so definitely in future or after a couple of months, Apple will take the iPhone 11 production as well in India. Okay, the latest flagship from Apple will even be made in India, and who knows, the price will be reduced drastically from 65,000 rupees. It might even come to 48 or 50,000, and nobody knows like what Apple has in store for us. But there is another breaking news, and that is Apple's another prop company, or Apple's prop supplier. Like Foxconn makes iPhones, while the Salcomp supplier makes the chargers, and Salcomp has purchased the Nokia factory. From decades, the Nokia factory in India is not in use. It has been never used since a decade. So it's obvious opportunity for Salcomp to purchase this. Salcomp has made an offer of $30 million, and hence the Nokia company has been sold, or just the land of the Nokia or the complete factory in India is sold. Not just complete Nokia company, but just the particular land. So it is expected that Salcomp is going to be starting the charger manufacturing. Okay, like let it be MacBook charger, 18-watt fast charger, iPhone charger, any of the cable which you see with the Apple product will be made in India. And yes guys, this takes us to another conclusion, and that is a drastic price cut. Okay, with the MacBooks, with all of the Apple's charging accessories, like let it be with Apple Watch or anything, the charger's price is going to be decreased, and hence like if the product will be made in India, we will get it for a way less price because no import duties and no other external taxes. So guys, overall let me conclude that this is a great step by Apple. Like all of these iPhones and everything are more than expensive in India, and every year the price just increases. But if these are going to be Apple's future initiatives, then it's pretty obvious that iPhone is going to be selling in India. And also, many people argued when the iPhone XR was launched that this is a bad piece of technology, the display is not appropriate, and overall everybody thought it does not make any sense. But later on, the sales of the iPhone XR has shocked every single person, and just that continues till today. iPhone XR is still a great piece of hardware that you can buy and you will be satisfied. And again, if the pricing is going to be reduced, that definitely makes a lot of sense. So if you like today's video, in today's video I just wanted to include all of this information, that the iPhone XR's price is going to be getting cut, the future iPhones might be assembled in India, and again you're going to be seeing a new tagline, and that is designed by Apple in California and assembled in India. So if you like today's video, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then please consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,